Hello everyone, in the last video I have explained about circulation in human being. Today I am going to show you how to draw a vertical section of heart in an easier way. Because in the board exam when they ask for diagram it comes for 2 marks. Now first of all we need to draw the outline of the heart. The next is draw the 4 chambers. So first we will draw the right atrium and the right ventricle. So here we have right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. So now we got 4 chambers. The next step is to draw the veins. Now here in the right atrium, superior vena cava brings the deoxygenated blood from the upper part of the body, and inferior vena cava bring the deoxygenated blood from the lower part of the body. So here we have 2 veins which bring the deoxygenated blood to the right atrium. Now the vein which brings the oxygenated blood to the left atrium, that is pulmonary vein. Now the next step is to draw the arteries. So one artery take the blood away from the right ventricle, and the other artery, that is aorta, takes away the blood from the left ventricle. So this is the aorta, and this is the artery. So in all we have 4 chambers, 3 veins and 2 arteries. Now it is the time to label the diagram. Now when they ask for 2 marks, 1 mark you have for the diagram and 1 mark you have for labeling. If you label 2, then you will get 1 mark, as each label carries half marks. So let's name the parts. So this is right atrium, this is right ventricle, this is left atrium, and this is left ventricle. This is inferior vena cava. This is superior vena cava. And this is pulmonary vein. So now we have labeled all the 4 chambers and the veins. Now it's time to label the arteries. So this is the pulmonary artery. And this is aorta. So this is it. First we just need to draw the outline, then draw the 4 chambers, then draw the 3 veins, and then draw the 2 arteries, and after that you can label the diagram. This is very easy. You can draw easily in the exam also, and you will get the whole marks. So if you like this video, please like and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.